The average American spends over $2,000 a year on gasoline. Most of that feels unavoidable, but a surprising amount is wasted on habits you don't even know you have. I used to waste fuel on at least 5 of these without realizing it. 15 fuel-saving techniques most people never learn, and the system quietly benefits every time you don't. Secret number 5 alone can save heavy commuters and delivery drivers hundreds of dollars a year without spending a single dollar. Secret number 15, the quarter tank rule. Starting with one that protects your wallet and your engine at the same time. Your fuel pump is an electric motor cooled by being submerged in gasoline. Run the tank to fumes and the pump overheats, wearing out prematurely. Replacement runs $600 to $1,200. Sediment also settles at the tank bottom over years. Low fuel forces the pump to pull debris directly into your filter and injectors. Treat 1/4 as your new empty. This single habit protects one of the most expensive components in your fuel system. Secret number 14, tire pressure. Underinflated tires are the #1 most common reason for poor MPG, and I'd bet money most people watching this are driving on low tires right now. Mechanics say it's routine to see cars come in 8 to 10 psi low during standard service visits, and that alone quietly drains fuel economy on every single drive without the driver ever noticing. Check once a month, always cold, and set it to the number on your driver's door jamb, not the tire sidewall. This single habit can deliver 5 to 10% better fuel efficiency immediately. Secret number 13, the gas cap leak. A cracked or loose gas cap allows fuel vapors to escape and triggers evap codes that force your ECU to run richer. Millions of gallons are lost nationally every year to poorly sealed caps. Twist until it clicks. 3 clicks for a proper seal. A $10 replacement can cover 2 to 3% of your fuel economy instantly. Cheapest fix on this entire list. Secret number 12, wrong oil viscosity. Modern engines are designed for thin oils like OW20 to minimize internal friction. Use a thicker oil than recommended, and the pistons push through more resistance on every stroke, wasting fuel constantly. I've seen drivers lose 2 to 5% MPG just from running the wrong weight without knowing it. Follow the manufacturer's exact viscosity spec. The right oil frees up power and improves MPG. The wrong oil fights the engine from the inside. Secret number 11, the octane myth. Premium fuel carries higher profit margins for the station. Words like power and ultimate imply more energy, but octane only measures resistance to knock, nothing more. If your manual says 87, putting 93 in provides 0 extra cleaning, 0 extra power, and 0 benefit to a standard engine. Follow the manual, not the marketing on the pump. Secret number 10, the tanker truck warning. See a fuel tanker offloading at the station? Keep driving. When thousands of gallons get dumped into underground tanks, they stir up dirt, rust, and water that normally sits settled at the bottom. Pump during that window and you risk pulling contaminated fuel into your car. Wait at least an hour after the tanker leaves for the sediment to resettle. Secret number 9, the weight penalty. Every 100 pounds of extra weight costs 1 to 2% fuel economy. Golf clubs, tools, old boxes, most of it sits in the trunk for months untouched. Roof racks and cargo boxes are worse. They add weight and wind resistance, cutting efficiency by up to 10 to 15% even when empty. I cleaned out my trunk last year and found 60 pounds of stuff that I hadn't touched in months. Clear it out. Dead weight is a permanent tax on every mile. And keep watching, because in a moment, we'll get to the one habit that quietly wastes more fuel than anything else drivers do every single day. Secret number 8, AC versus windows. In city traffic, the AC compressor loads the engine and can cost up to 10% of your MPG. At low speeds, windows down is more efficient. But at highway speeds, open windows create aerodynamic drag costing up to 15%, worse than the AC. The rule? Windows at low speed, AC on the highway. That balance minimizes both engine load and drag. Secret number 7, the temperature factor. Fuel is sold by volume, not by weight. Gasoline expands slightly when hot and contracts when cold. Underground tanks keep temperatures fairly stable year-round, so the effect is small. But in extreme summer heat, filling up during cooler morning or evening hours means marginally denser fuel per gallon. Not a huge difference per fill-up, but over a full year of driving, it stacks up. Secret number 6, the pump speed trap. Pumping at maximum speed creates turbulence inside the nozzle that can introduce small vapor pockets into the flow. The meter measures volume regardless, so any vapor mixed in means slightly less liquid fuel delivered. The difference is minor per fill-up, but slowing down the flow keeps fuel denser and more consistent. It only adds about 30 seconds, and over dozens of fill-ups a year, the precision matters. We're almost at the finish, and the last 5 secrets are the ones that make the biggest difference per dollar. Stay with me. Secret number 5, the idling trap. This is the one I mentioned in the intro, and the one that changed how I personally drive. A typical engine burns 0.3 to 0.6 gallons per hour while idling. 10 minutes a day adds up to over 30 gallons a year with 0 miles traveled. The old belief that restarting wastes more gas than idling applied to carbureted engines decades ago. Modern fuel-injected cars restart efficiently. If you're stopped for more than 30 seconds, turn it off. Delivery drivers and rideshare drivers often idle during pickups without realizing it, sometimes burning a fuel tank every few weeks just sitting still. Secret number 4, alignment and aero drag. If your car pulls to one side, your tires are fighting each other. Creating drag, the engine has to overcome every mile. A $100 alignment can recover measurable MPG. Those plastic aero shields under your car aren't decorative either. They smooth airflow underneath the vehicle. If they're dragging or missing, turbulence underneath hurts highway efficiency more than most drivers realize. Secret number 3, sensor drift. A failing oxygen sensor can cause the engine to run rich, dropping fuel economy by up to 15 to 20% without triggering a check engine light immediately. A dirty mass airflow sensor skews readings enough to dump more fuel than needed on every trip. These failures happen gradually. Your MPG drops over months and you never notice. A simple MAF cleaning or O2 sensor replacement restores efficiency instantly. Secret number 2, mapping for momentum. The most fuel-intensive thing your engine does is accelerate from a dead stop. Planning routes to avoid stop-and-go traffic, even if it adds a mile, often delivers better MPG overall. Delivery companies use right turn-only routing to minimize idle time at left turn signals where you're burning fuel and going nowhere. Apply that logic to your commute, and you'll notice the difference within a single tank. Secret number 1, your right foot. The greatest fuel-saving tool in your car is your own foot. Aggressive acceleration and hard braking are the ultimate gas killers. Every time you hit the brakes, you're converting fuel you already paid for into heat and brake dust. Look a quarter mile ahead. Coast toward red lights instead of staying on the gas until the last second. Drivers who adopt smooth acceleration and early coasting routinely see 10 to 15% better fuel economy. Same car, same engine, same fuel, just a different foot. This one secret alone outperforms every gadget, additive, and fuel card on the market combined. 15 techniques, all free, all proven, and most drivers will never use them. If you found even one tip useful, hit subscribe. We've got a full lineup coming that covers everything from maintenance secrets to the smartest buys on the market. If you care about your car and your wallet, this channel was built for you. Drop a comment. Which secret surprised you the most? And if you've got a fuel-saving method I didn't cover, share it. The best tips always come from drivers with real miles and real receipts.